Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play the Hell song on bass. We'll start by breaking down the iconic intro riff. Pay close attention to the root notes and the rhythmic feel. Getting the timing just right is crucial for this song's energy. Remember to practice at a slower tempo first, gradually increasing speed as you get comfortable. This approach helps build solid muscle memory for a smooth performance. Next, let's tackle the verse and pre-chorus sections. The verse features a driving eighth note pattern that keeps the song moving. Focus on maintaining a consistent attack to ensure a powerful and even tone throughout. The transition into the pre-chorus is subtle but important, so practice moving between these parts seamlessly. Your goal is to create a solid foundation for the vocals and guitars. Now we'll dive into the chorus and bridge. The chorus brings a slightly more melodic and open feel compared to the verse, so listen for those changes. The bridge offers a brief departure, requiring a subtle shift in your playing approach. Pay attention to the dynamics here. Varying your attack can really make these sections stand out. This helps to build the song's overall energy and impact. To truly master the Hell song, consistent practice is key. Always use a metronome to lock in your timing and develop a strong internal rhythm. Don't be afraid to experiment with your bass's tone controls or amplifier settings to find a sound that you love. Remember, a great bass line starts with solid technique and a good ear. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.